Hello everyone, welcome to my Wip Mountain. I'm going to show you what I'm working on and leave links in the description of the patterns. This is the Musselburgh Hat by Isolde. I've already made one of these for my son. This is in the Cascade 220 and the Cascade hand paints. This is the one that I am making for my husband in the blue and I believe nightshade for the other color. This is by TL Yarn Crafts. It's a Tunisian crochet blanket called the Elmore blanket. I'm making these for my nieces. They're triplet girls, so I'm going to make one in different colors. I did them all in Bamboo Fair by Premier. This is the Orchid. I've already finished this. This is Lakeside. I am over halfway done with it. It's a beautiful blanket. I just love this pattern. And it's such a soft yarn. I'm not the fastest Tunisian crocheter, but I've really been enjoying these projects. Here's the yarn. It's so soft and it doesn't split. It's great. And here is the Carnation. You see I had just started this one. Again, I just really love this yarn. The next one is the Goldberry Shawl by Heather DuNaier. I may be pronouncing that wrong. The links of all of these will be in the description. I made one of these for my grandmother. This is in Mandala, I believe. I do not remember the colorway. I made it for her. She loved it, wore it till the day she passed. This is one that I'm making for myself in Baby Bee. Sweet Delight. The color is I Love You More. It's a very soft yarn and I just love the way the colors are pooling together. This is a set of hand warmers. They are the autumnal mitts. I got them on Ravelry. Description has the links. I am making a pair of these for my son's girlfriend in pink. I'm going to be using the Knit Picks Swish, which is a super wash wool. It's just a lovely wool to work with. This is a pair I made for my stepdaughter in Swish. Again, I don't remember the colorway, but I'll be sure to add all the yarns I used also in the description box if you're wondering. But this yarn is just so soft. I just love it so much, and it comes in so many nice colors. Here are the ones that I'm making for her. You see, I'm just getting started. This is the Lemonia sweater by Rachel Søgaard. Here is mine. It's bottom up. You see I just started. I am using the Coffee Shop by Premier in the colorway Kona. It's a wool acrylic blend. This is the Big Flamingo scarf by Anna May. I'm using the same yarns that the pattern calls for. They are available on Knit Picks. It is the Chroma fingering weight. I got it in Bear, which is the white, and Shortcake. They're very nice, very soft, super wash wool. And this is a gift for my mother-in-law. It was actually supposed to be a gift 2 years ago, but I've kind of lost steam on it. I really do like how it's coming together though. This is a Patriots throw that I am making for my husband. I actually bought this pattern off Etsy, and it's a corner to corner. As you can see, there's many balls attached currently. It's a really nice blanket. I love this yarn in all kinds of different colors. And those are all my whips. I will update with shorts as I finish them. Thanks for looking at my pile, everyone.